A massive explosion ripped through the heart of Beirut, the capital of Lebanon, killing at least 78 people and injuring thousands. The death toll is likely to increase over the next few days as authorities go about clearing up the debris. Lebanon's president attributed the explosion to a stockpile of ammonium nitrate at the port of Beirut. Close to 2,750 tons of this chemical was being stored at the port for 6 years, and that too without any safety measures. Many commentators in Lebanon have rightly pointed out that this was a disaster waiting to happen. Videos of the incident show a column of smoke rising from the heart of Beirut port, followed by a massive explosion that sent up a mushroom cloud. The impact was felt kilometers away. Even hours after the explosion, fires were raging around the blast site. Helicopters were deployed and hundreds of firefighters were called in to control the blaze. Lebanon's president convened an emergency security council meeting. The council recommended that the relief work be carried out by the Lebanese military. A day of national mourning has been declared by the Prime Minister. Resources from across the country, including ambulances, are being diverted to the capital. Lebanon's cabinet will convene later today to form an investigative committee. This committee is expected to submit its findings in the next 5 days. The government promised strict punishment for those responsible for the regulatory lapses. Reports indicate that welding work near the warehouse may have triggered the blast.
ما حصل اليوم لن يمر من دون حساب. سيدفع المسؤولون عن هذه الكارثة الثمن. هذا وعد للشهداء وللجرحى. هذا التزام وطني. ستكون هناك حقائق تعلن عن هذا المستودع الخطير الموجود منذ العام 2014.
Residents of Beirut are on the edge. The full extent of the disaster will be known in the next couple of days. Hospitals in the capital are already overwhelmed by the COVID-19 pandemic. Late at night on Tuesday, hundreds of people rushed to hospitals in search of their loved ones. Hospitals have invited volunteers to donate blood and take part in the relief work. There are also concerns about the air quality since the blast was triggered by a toxic chemical stockpile. The U.S. diplomatic mission in Lebanon has asked American citizens in Beirut to wear a mask while stepping out. The incident has laid bare the shortcomings of Lebanon's government. Systemic corruption and lack of regulatory framework has increased the likelihood of such incidents.